Is waiting for a paper check killing your vibe? Ever felt that agonizing wait for a physical paycheck to arrive? You know the drill. The hours tick by, that stack of bills looms larger, and the convenience of instant access to your hard-earned cash feels like a distant dream. But what if there was a better way? Enter the age of direct deposit, the magical process that beams your paycheck straight into your bank account. No more check cashing hassles, no more wondering if that envelope got lost in the mail. But with a growing number of online banking options, a crucial question arises. Does Novo, the popular small business banking platform, play ball with direct deposit? Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the world of Novo and direct deposit. We'll crack open the Novo vault, unveil the mysteries of ACH transfers, and answer the burning question, can you ditch the paper charade and get paid straight into your Novo account? Now, before we dissect Novo's direct deposit policy, let's take a quick detour to understand the mechanics behind the magic. Direct deposit relies on a system called ACH, or Automated Clearinghouse. Think of ACH as a digital highway that zips funds electronically between banks. With direct deposit, your employer essentially hops onto this highway, sending your paycheck directly to your Novo account, faster, smoother, and way more secure than a paper check. Alright, enough with the road trip metaphors. Let's get back to business. So, can you set up direct deposit with Novo? The answer is a resounding yes. Novo fully embraces the convenience of direct deposit. In fact, they've made the process incredibly user-friendly. Here's the nitty-gritty. To set up direct deposit with Novo, you'll need to provide your employer with two key pieces of information, your Novo account number and routing number. These magic digits are your unique identifiers within the vast banking network. Finding them is a breeze. Simply log into your Novo app and navigate to the Account tab. There you'll find your account number displayed prominently, along with the magic routing number. It's 211370150. Jot that down. Once you've armed your employer with these details, they can initiate direct deposit on their end. The process might differ slightly depending on your employer's payroll system, but typically, it's a straightforward setup. Now, a quick heads up, while Novo itself doesn't impose any limitations on receiving direct deposits, there's always a chance your employer might have their own internal policies or processing times. So, don't hesitate to double-check with your payroll department to ensure a smooth transition from paper checks to direct deposit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, ditch the checkbook and embrace the digital age with Novo's direct deposit functionality.